डाबर च्यवनप्राश प्रो रेसलिंग लीग सीजन 4 को-पावर्ड बाय अमूल में दिव्य सज्जन वक्त है मेंस 65 यानी 65 किलोग्राम वर्ग कुश्ती मुकाबले का। स्तुति पंजाब रॉयल्स की ओर से आ रहे हैं उनके टीम कैप्टन भारतीय मूल के बजरंग पूनिया। डाबर च्यवनप्राश प्रो रेसलिंग लीग सीजन 4 को-पावर्ड बाय अमूल में पुरुषों के 65 किलोग्राम वर्ग कुश्ती मुकाबले के लिए यूपी दंगल की ओर से आ रहे हैं भारतीय मूल के पंकज राणा।
There we have the captain of the Punjab Royals, Bajrang Punia, gold medalist at the 2018 Commonwealth Games, the icon player, ready to battle it out now. Taking on Pankaj Rana at the age of 31 in the men's 65 kilograms category from UP Dangals. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the Dabar Chyawanprash Pro Wrestling League Season 4, co-powered by Amol. This is your host Sarthak, and now I'm joined in the comm box by the CEO of the Pro Wrestling League, Mr. Sunil Yash Karla.
Oh, this is going to be one of the most exciting bouts for the day. Bajrang, the undefeated champion, Padma Shri, and world number 1 on your screen right now.
Punjab is through to the semis, Sunil. UP need this. It's a do or die for them.
Yes, certainly. But I think UP has a fair chance of making it today. But if they make it 5-2, they come straight on the table chart as the second team.
UP has got a lot of momentum from the last bout. Vanessa just convincingly won it.
Well, they are all pumped up. They know this is their only chance of making it to the better cut and facing the right foot. That's Cynthia, who's been blocked today. 76 kg from France.
Bajrang was awarded the Padma Shri very recently on Republic Day. Pride of India, Bajrang Punia. As we head into 1 minute down in round 1, the final 2 minutes coming up for round number 1. UP and Punjab, neither team opening their account as yet.
Bajrang comes into this game with a defeating Harful by 8-2, Andre 9-0, and the biggest bout was
Haji Aliyev. We cannot forget that. Bajrang in the decider, taking down Haji Aliyev 4-3 that day. That was massive. And that is what has given Punjab the biggest momentum. MPO that was shaken that day.
Yes, certainly. He took them off their sockets and just took them out. There's the first attack by Praveen.
Bajrang Punia, known for his speed, his agility, his intelligence on the mat. Pankaj Rana, interesting here, holding on. Bajrang looking for a counter. There we see Bajrang out of it. Bajrang pulls himself out. We're looking for an attack here. We head into the final 50 seconds of round number 1.
Contact!
Bajrang looking for a takedown, looking for a single leg takedown here. There we have it, a leg lace by Bajrang Punia. Brilliant. Showing us why he is the icon player for the Punjab Royals.
Up.
Well, Punjab did the brilliant thing of taking Bajrang as the icon player here with 30 lakh category, and since then Bajrang hasn't put them on the upset. Look at this.
Follow no finger.
So the Punjab Royals leading 3-0 against the UP Dangal team here. UP Dangal in a do-or-die clash today on day 15 of the Pro Wrestling League.
Pankaj, the army man, was the trump card for Punjab Royals 2 seasons ago, but that was history. Right now he's battling it out. I think he looks in a bit of a bother right now.
Punjab on such a high, Sunil, you know. They're the defending champions. They won in 2017.
Yes, more so for UP Dangal because they have been languishing in the tables tally. It's a must win for them, but Bajrang, they are up against the world number 1.
If Punjab wins today 5-2, they head straight to top of the table. That's looking likely, you know.
Here, the entire table, the overall play comes into place in the overall statistics when you have the team standing.
Follow contact.
If UP wins 5-2, interestingly, they go to number 2 position in the league.
Yes, and they play on the 3rd team of the standing. So that's going to be very exciting.
And there you see Bajrang leaping around. He's going to break loose here. Bajrang is known to just break loose.
Contact, blue.
He'll go all out any moment. He's
Yes.
leading 3-0.
Follow finger.
Just testing Pankaj out.
Well, it's a personal thing for Bajrang right now because he wants to end this bout on this season on a undefeated mode, and that's what he's trying to do best.
Absolutely. There you see Sarita getting ready for her bout.
With her husband Rahul Man.
Yep. As we head into the final 1 minute 45 seconds of bout number 3.
Bajrang in the past 6 months has upskilled himself really well. He's bought in the overall attack and goes in for the defense. So that makes it even more interesting.
Absolutely. He's a world champion, silver medalist in the World Championship in 2018, gold medalist in the 2018 Asian Games. He knows what it takes to be the best in the world. And he is battling it out with the best in the world in the biggest league in the world. The biggest wrestling league here in the Greater Noida Stadium in UP. As Punjab's to the Royals leading 5-0.
Contact.
Bajrang making the inside attack. Look at this. Pankaj Rana trying to go in from the right. Wasn't successful. Got the right leg.
Pankaj Rana looking for a single leg takedown. Leg lace here. Bajrang not at all intimidated by any move that Pankaj is making here.
Up. Blue, red, up.
There you see the single leg takedown and a leg lace. Pankaj Rana trying his best to get the better of Bajrang here. But the captain, the icon player of the Stuti Punjab Royals, giving him no room at all. There you see Pankaj Rana looking for the leg. Bajrang knows his moves. Bajrang has every move calculated here.
In fact, his counter is also very good, formidable. That's the jubilant Punjab team owners.
There we head into the final 10 seconds of this bout. Bajrang really not looking for an aggressive move here as Pankaj trying to do everything he can to get back into this bout. This should be it for the Stuti Punjab Royals as they convincingly win. The captain leading from the front. Bajrang Punia has won it again for the Stuti Punjab Royals.
मत ले पंगा।